Hello students, already we have completed questions on direct method. Okay, so in 6.1 we have learned how to find out mean by using direct method. Now students, we will move forward and we will do practice set 6.2, and in 6.2 you will learn how to find out median. Okay, so already I have given you the formula for median. So let us solve question number 1 of this exercise. See the question, students. The following table shows classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. So what we need to find out? We need to find out median of the number of hours they work. And what is given to us? Daily number of hours and how many workers are working in that hour. So 8 to 10 hours, how many workers are working? 150. 10 to 12 hours, 500 workers are working. 12 to 4 hours, 300 workers are working. And 14 to 16 hours, 50 workers are working. So this is the data and we need to find out median. Okay, so let us learn how to find out median of this data. So already students, I have made table. You can see daily number of hours is in this column, number of workers in this column, and we will make one more column, that is cumulative frequency less than type. Students, already you have learned how to make cumulative frequency less than type in class 9th. Okay, so again I will repeat how to do this. So first thing is what? Students, whenever you are finding median or mode, first thing is what? Your class should be continuous like this. You can see here 8 to 10 and 10 is continued here. Similarly 12 is continued here, 14 is continued here. So whenever you are finding median or mode, first important condition is what? Your class should be continuous. So in this case already we are having continuous class, so no need to bother. Only the thing is what? You have to make one additional column, that is cumulative frequency. And now we will learn how to make cumulative frequency. So for this, students, keep your first entry same, that is 150. So write here 150. Now what you will do? You will take 150 and 500 together, that is add 150 plus 500. Okay, so this is your next step, and if you add these two you will get 650. Okay, and what you will do now? 650 plus 300 you are going to do. 650 plus 300, and if you do this now, you will get 6 plus 3, 950. 950 you will get. Now what will be your next step? 950 plus 50 you are going to do. So 950 plus 50 will gives you how much? 1000. Okay, so we have done cumulative frequency less than type. Okay, understood now? First keep your first entry as it is, then keep on adding 150 plus 500, 650 plus 300, 950 plus 50, 1000. Okay, and here you will take total of that total. So total is called as n. Let us see how much total is we are getting here. 0, 5, 5, 10, 1 carry, 2, 5, 7, 7, 3, 10. So same number you will get. N is equal to 1000. Here also same number 1000. Okay, so now we have n value 1000. Okay, from the table we have n value 1000. Now since we have n 1000, so what will be my n upon 2? 500, right? Okay, if your n is 1000, so definitely your n upon 2 will be 500. Now students, you will guess 500. You will find out the class which contains this 500th entry. Okay, so let us see how to find out this. Means we are supposed to concentrate on median class. Now see in this one, this is starting from 150 and ending at 650, and we want 500. So definitely 500 will come in this class, right? Because in between 150 and 650 500 is there. So this class is your median class, so highlight it. Okay, this class is what? Your median class, so highlight it. Okay, so we are highlighting it. This class is what? Median class, so highlight it. Now what is the formula of median? Formula of median is what? L plus bracket n upon 2 minus CF into H upon F. This is the formula of median. Now we want to know what is L, what is CF, what is H, and what is F. So for that, students, let me tell you, already we know this is the median class. Why? Because 500 lies in between 150 and 650, and the lower boundary of this class is called as L. Okay, and the frequency of this class is known as F, and just before this class we have CF. Okay, just before this class we have CF. Okay, so we have L value 10, F value 500, CF value 150, and what is H? H is the difference between lower class, or you can have upper class. So if you take difference between any two classes, you can see the difference is of 2. Okay, 10 minus 8 2, 12 minus 10 8 2. So every time you will get difference of 2, so your class height is 2. Okay, so we have every value, that is n by 2, L, F, CF, and H. So let us substitute these values in this formula to get the value of median. What is L? 10, plus what is n upon 2? N upon 2 is what? 500, minus what is CF? CF is 150, into what is H? 2, and what is F? F is 500. Okay, so students, we have substituted the values. Now let us simplify this. This is 10 plus, and if you do subtraction of 500 and 150, you will get 350. So you have 350 into 2 upon 500. Okay, 1 0 cancels with 1 0. Now you can do cancellation by 5. 5 1 ja and 0 ja. Here 5 7 ja. So what we are getting here? 10 plus 7 2 ja, 14 upon 10. And if you do 14 upon 10 now, you will get 1.4. Okay, and if you add 10 plus 11 1.4, you will get 11.4. Okay, so in this way we got 11.4. Now we will write final answer depending on the question. What is the question? Median of the number of hours they work. So we will write, therefore median of number of hours, median of number of hours they work, median of number of hours they work is how much? 11.4 hour. Okay, so in this way, students, we have completed first question of this exercise. Now question number 2 and question number 4 of this exercise you are going to do by your own, and in the next lecture I will do question number 3 of this exercise. Okay students, bye, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.